Sam will get the height right this time.
So, I measured it correctly now!
Are you sure?
5 centimeters!
Yes, that's right. Well done, Sammy. Can you get me 2 large pieces of cardboard?
A moment! When are we going to need the cups?
Later. We need the cardboard pieces now.
Got it!
Right. We need to glue the piece like this. Carefully now.
Here I come!
Great! Let's cut the parts out then. Ruler,
Ruler,
pencil.
pencil.
This will be a shaped piece. Cutter.
Cutter!
I'll cut along the outline and glue it to our base.
Oh, Sue!
What?
We've completely forgotten about our viewers!
Oh, right! Hi, guys. You're probably trying to figure out what Sam and I are doing here.
I'll tell you all about it. I was watching Master Splinter one day. He was going through the labyrinth again. Oh, give a thumbs up if you've seen the video about the labyrinth! So he reached the basketball court, and he was having so much fun! We spent nearly an hour there.
A whole hour?
Well, maybe less. I didn't look at the clock.
Well, all right. Go on. Or I'll finish the craft before you get to the point.
So, I decided to take up basketball as well. I even found a ball! But even though I'm strong and bouncy, I couldn't play with that ball. And I went to Sue and told her everything. And she suggested...
Making a table basketball game from cardboard.
Yes! So I can train like the NBA players.
And our base is almost finished.
I'll go get the balls!
It's too early, Sammy. Oh, fine. Right, I need to attach back and front walls to the base. The front wall is this rectangle piece, 30 by 10 centimeters. We need to make a hole in it, right here. Be careful with the cutter, guys. And it's... Oh!
Ping pong rain!
Catch them quick! Did we get them all?
I think so. Listen, Susie, these balls only have the right color, but they aren't really for basketball.
Well, we'll draw details on them. Bring me a black marker, please.
I'll be right back.
And in the meantime, I'll glue the front wall. The back wall looks pretty, almost like a door. Guys, do you like basketball or maybe a different ball game? Pause this video and comment below.
Here's the marker!
What took you so long?
Well, I stopped to chat with Master Splinter.
Oh, I see. Did he give you any sweets?
Of course he did.
All right, Sweet Tooth, that's how our balls look.
That's more like it.
Look, the balls will go along this chute.
And down to the floor?
To make sure it doesn't happen, we'll glue on a special tray, like this. And now...
Cool! Is it time for the cups yet?
No, Sammy, not yet.
Oh, so many little pieces. What are they for?
Well, this will have one main difference from real basketball. We're not going to throw the balls into the basket with our hands, but with a catapult.
Holy cannoli, it's even more awesome! Hey guys, subscribe to our channel. We always come up with awesome stuff. You'll never get bored. Who else will think of playing basketball with a catapult?
We need to insert wooden sticks like this. 1 here and 2 here.
Are you going to make a seesaw again?
Almost, Sammy. Look. We're going to place the balls in here.
It still looks more like a seesaw to me than a catapult.
Let's fix that.
Uh-oh! Are you gonna shoot it at me again?
That was an accident. And no, I'm not. I'll secure the wooden stick like this. See?
Oh, it does look like a catapult now.
We need to attach it to a cardboard sheet. It will also cover the tunnel for balls. I have a piece of a pencil I don't need. I'll attach it. And the catapult is ready for action.
Put it on its place, quick!
Right. Carefully now. And I also have this piece, which will keep the balls from falling into the tray. And now...
Time for paper cups!
Yep.
I'll get 'em! If I had known it was such hard work, I wouldn't have been so eager to make those baskets.
Oh, come on, Sammy, it's fun. We cut the openings. And then cut away the bottom. And that's it. Remember to be careful with the cutter. Now we only need to glue each basket to these cards. Poof! Our baskets are ready, and it's time to glue them to the playing field.
Oh, me! Let me!
You want to glue the baskets on?
Oh, yes! Why not?
Oh, can you make stands for 3 baskets?
Stands? Well, I'll try.
Guys, do you think Sam will succeed? Give a thumbs up if you do. I'll glue 3 baskets to the back wall, and then I'll go check on him. Right, I need to... Oh! Sammy, they look great! Well done!
Thank you, thank you. If I really try, I can do a lot of things.
Well then, let's glue the remaining baskets to the stands.
And now it's time to decorate! Here, and there, also here, to make it stylish.
Bravo, Sammy! Our game looks amazing!
Let's give it a try!
The game is on!
Sue does the first throw.
Wow, yes!
Go, go, go!
Yes! And another hit! Oh, I need to aim better. It's okay. I'll try again. Wow, yes!
Now it's my turn! Yes!
Yes! Good job!
This is the basketball I like. The balls are the right size and it's easy to play. Thank you, Susie. You're a real friend.
Oh, Sammy, you're welcome. I like playing it too.
Well, I'm off to sign up for a basketball slime team. I'll open up my own school of table basketball for slimes. I'll become famous.
Oh, Sam got carried away again. I need to make sure he doesn't get carried away too far. Bye, see you soon. Guys, give a thumbs up if you liked today's video. And don't forget to share it with your friends. It's fun to watch in good company.